So, good morning. Some couple months, 3 months ago, I made a video where I made the Schweinsbraten a la, not Hauptner, but the other fellow. Now I forgot his name. Anyway, and he had a mix, and so does Hauptner, for a spice assortment for pork, which is based on marjoram and coriander. Marjoram and coriander are two spices which help break down the fat in the body when you eat it, especially pork, and it makes the digestion a lot easier. And then we have some ground mustard and garlic salt in there. And basically, I mixed it up here and I put it to the Mercer and grinder here, and I ground and chopped it all up. The cumin seeds are the most dominant ones in terms of taste, so I gave it only a quarter teaspoon, basically. Quarter teaspoon. For the marjoram and coriander, we got a half a tablespoon. And mustard and garlic is the basic substance, a full tablespoon. Tablespoon, half a tablespoon, and a quarter teaspoon. If you like that taste of cumin seeds when they're ground, it gets very intense. You probably could use 2 or half a teaspoon full of this. I used only a quarter teaspoon because I'm not that big of a fan. But I wanted to show you there's all of this ground up in here. Gives us about that much, and that will last a while, for some cooking. You put that in your sauce or into your gravy, and it will go well with any type of pork. That is specifically for pork. And with that, you have a great evening.